Let's begin in a seated position. Cross your shins and let your sit bones root, and settle your shoulders right over the hips. Push down through the seat and grow tall through the crown. Back of the neck stretch. Interlace the fingers and place the hands at the back of the head. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, chin to chest. Let this stretch be really gentle. Release the stretch and find tabletop. Roll over your shins and plant your hands. Align shoulders directly over wrists and hips over knees. Inhale, cow pose. Let the belly drop and the heart lift high as the tail goes high. And exhale, cat pose. Draw your chin to your chest and round your spine. Inhale, cow. Shoulder blades pull together, heart reaches through. Exhale, cat. Puff up the upper back. Take a few more rounds on your own. Come back to a neutral spine. Walk your hands a few inches forward. Root through the L's of your hands. Tuck your toes and take a deep breath in. Exhale, down dog. Firm the hands into the mat and press the hips up and back. Find length in the low back by bending the knees here if you need to. Slowly walk the feet to the top of your mat and take hold of the opposite elbows for ragdoll. Maybe bend the knees here. Just let the torso relax. Release your hands down, feet together. Bend the knees, then roll up to Tadasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Breathe in, arms to sky. Small bend in the knees. Exhale, release all the way down to forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Press your hands into your quads, shins, or the floor. Lengthen your spine. Hands down, step back to plank. Lower the knees. Then exhale, elbows bend straight back, lower all the way to the mat. Cobra. Peel your shoulders and chest off the mat, little to no weight in the hands. Exhale, lower the chest back to the mat. Inhale, push up to tabletop. Walk the hands forward, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up and away, three-legged dog, hips square, right hip down. Right foot forward, exhale, low lunge. High lunge, lift the chest up, breathe in, arms to sky. Warrior 2, spin the back heel down, breath out, hips open to the side, arms out to a T. Stack the right knee over the right ankle, then slide the right knee slightly to the right. Feel the stretch in your inner hips as you gaze right. Star pose. Right toes face in, legs straight. Inhale, arms overhead. Horse pose. Toes out, hands to heart. Exhale, bend the knees and sit low. Keep the shoulders stacked, right over the hips. Star pose, inhale, arms reach tall. Skandasana, back of the mat. Exhale, shift left, bend the left knee, hands to prayer, sink the hips back and down. Find low lunge, hands down at the top of the mat. Inhale, step back to plank. Lower your knees to the mat, and this time lower down just halfway on the exhale, elbows point back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Start to straighten the arms, open the chest and lift the knees off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Flip the feet back over and send the hips up and back. Second side. Inhale, send the left foot up and away from you, three-legged dog, hips square. Left foot forward, exhale, low lunge. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, back heel spins down to the mat, exhale, arms open wide. Deep bend in the front knee and gaze over the left fingertips. Star pose, left toes face in, inhale, hands to high prayer. Horse pose, toes out, hands to heart, breathe out and sink the hips straight down. It's okay if the quads start to shake here. Rise up, star pose, breath in, arms overhead. Skandasana, back of the mat, breathe out, shift to the right foot, bend the right knee, hips back and down. Move to low lunge, face front. Ground the hands, breathe in, step back to plank. This time, keep the knees lifted, exhale, lower halfway down. Inhale, up dog, knees lifted off the mat, shoulders back. Exhale, down dog, flip the feet and press back. Inhale, right leg lifts up and back, three-legged dog, hips square. Exhale, low lunge. Lower your back knee down, inhale, crescent lunge, arms by your ears. Hands to heart center, exhale. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, revolved crescent. Twist right, hook left tricep outside right thigh. Push the palms into each other to rotate the chest even more to the right. Unwind, hands down, low lunge. Hands plant, inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga, elbows bend to 90 degrees. Up dog, inhale as you straighten the elbows. Exhale to down dog. Inhale, sweep your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge, back knee down, arms to sky. Hands to the heart, exhale. Long spine here, breath in. Revolved crescent, exhale, twist left, right tricep to left thigh. Push elbow into thigh and thigh back into elbow to spin the chest more to the left. Unwind, find low lunge. Inhale to plank. Chaturanga, breathe out. Inhale, up dog. Down dog, exhale. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Boat pose. Feet flat to the mat, hands to shins, engage the core as you hinge back, letting the toes balance lightly on the mat. Come back to an easy seat. Boat pose again. Engage the core and lean back. Now keep the angle of the right knee the same and use the lower abs to raise the right leg up. And then reach the right toes out and down, tap the right toes down. Other side, deep core engagement. Keep the angle of the left knee to lift the entire left leg up. And then left toes move out and away, tap them down. Keep going now for a few more rounds. Pause the next time the toes are on the mat. And come up to easy seat. Roll over your shins and make your way down onto your belly. Half bow. Come onto your right forearm, reach for your right foot with your left hand and inhale, lift up. Keep kicking into the hand and keep rotating the chest down toward the mat. Release down, left cheek to the mat and breathe. Half bow second side. Prop yourself up on your left forearm and capture your left foot with your right hand, then lift towards the sky. You should feel your whole backside engage to lift you. Release. Lower everything down. Take the chin to the left and breathe. Slowly bring the hands by your shoulders. Press yourself up, then make your way onto your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Exhale, knees drape to the left. Extend your right arm to the right and gaze right. Just settle in here and let everything be heavy. Gently unwind. Happy baby. Take the legs wide, hands to feet. Gently pull down with the hands. Flatten your whole back onto the mat. Flatten your shoulders against the mat. Draw your knees tightly up into your chest. Knees to the right. Open the left arm to the left. Gaze left. Exhale. Melt the left shoulder down toward the mat. Slowly unwind, then draw your knees up tightly into your chest. Take one last inhale. Relax into Shavasana. Stay for as much time as you would like here. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.